turn now, and this time we're heading into the 2000s. So ladies, step back, let me show you